Assalamualaikum and hello. In this video onwards, we are going to focus about the last subtopic, concentration. In this video, I'm going to focus more about molarity. But first thing first, let's get into the learning outcomes of this subtopic. The learning outcomes for this subtopic should be that at the end of the lesson, you should know what is the definition for molarity, density, percentage by mass, and how to perform all calculations for all these terms, including the dilution. So before we start to go into the molarity, you have to understand three terms, which are solution, solute, and solvent. So what are those? For solution, the definition itself is a homogeneous mixture formed when an amount of solute dissolves completely in a solvent. For example, I got my solvent, which usually will be water, and I got my solute, either can be in liquid phase or in solid phase, and when I mix them together, I will get solution. And then, for example, I got this picture where I put my solvent, mix them together with my solute, and then I try to dissolve them completely to form homogeneous solution, which is my solution. So, you should understand how to differentiate between three terms. Because kalau awak tak boleh nak differentiate tiga term ini, awak tak boleh jawab soalan dalam bahagian subtopik 3.3. So, next one, what is solute? So, solute is or are the substance present in a smaller amounts in a solution. And your subject here is substance. Okay, next one, what is the solvent? So the solvent is the substance present in a larger amount in a solution. So maknanya, kalau saya ada solution, yang paling banyak adalah solvent, yang paling sedikit adalah solute. Itu cara mudah untuk awak faham. So now we understand about three different terms about solution, solvent and solute. Barulah kita boleh masuk tentang concentration. So concentration is a measurement. So we have several ways to represent concentration of the solution. The first one is molarity. Second one, molality. Third is mole fraction. Fourth is percentage by mass. And last one is percentage by volume. And saya highlight warna merah untuk number 1 and number 4 because these two are going to be the one that we focus in this semester untuk awak punya PDT. For the other three, awak akan belajar waktu awak masuk PST. So let's go to this part. For this video, we are going to learn about molarity. So molarity, what is that? Molarity is a number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Dan kalau awak lihat, saya highlight mole of solute. So in this case adalah solute. Dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So solution dalam case ini adalah 1 liter. Dan unit dia mesti liter. Sekiranya awak dapat solution dalam unit selain liter, you have to convert into liter. So that's why pentingnya awak faham tiga term yang berbeza, solute, solution and solvent. Get back to molarity. Molarity mempunyai unit tersendiri, sama ada mole per dm cube, or mole per liter, or molar, or M besar. So either one, usually saya prefer to use M besar ataupun this one lah. Jarang saya guna molar, tapi also acceptable. And you have to take note that untuk 1 dm cube adalah bersamaan dengan 1000 cm cube. And 1 liter bersamaan dengan 1000 milliliter. So case yang sama, dm cube adalah simbol unit yang sama dengan liter. And cm cube unit yang sama dengan ml. Okay, now when you got the definition, of course you want to calculate. So how to do the calculation? Actually, the calculation is based on the formula. But how to do the formula? Actually, the formula itself coming from the definition. So, how to calculate the molarity based on the formula is like in this slide, saya tulis molarity M besar equals to mole of solute dalam unit mole over volume of solution dalam unit liter. And I emphasize here one more time, volume must be in liter. And then, kalau awak nak calculate number of mole, sebelum ni kita belajar mole based on mass, iaitu mass over molar mass, mole based on Avogadro's constant, and then awak belajar mole based on volume, volume over molar volume. Okay, sekarang kita belajar molarity. Kita juga boleh gunakan formula molarity to calculate the number of mole, where it is equal to molarity times with your volume. And one more time, the volume must be in liter. So let's try one example. Example 8, how to calculate the molarity of a solution of 1.71 gram sucrose dissolved in 0.5 liter of water. So benda pertama yang awak perlu keluarkan information, you have to take out every single value that is in the question. So in this case, information yang saya boleh keluarkan adalah di mana I have the mass, which is 1.71 gram for the mass of sucrose. So I can put my information, mass of sucrose is 1.71 gram. And the next one, I got 0.50 liter of water. Sucrose dissolved in water, it becomes sucrose solution. So, my sucrose is the solute. So, my solvent is the water and my solution is sucrose solution. So, the volume is 0.50 liter. So, can I calculate? You take a look at your information. Daripada information tu, apa yang awak boleh calculate? Kalau saya lihat di sini, saya ada mass. Boleh tak saya cari number of mole? Yes, of course I can. Which means that I can use formula number of mole equals to mass over molar mass. So, can I calculate the molar mass of sucrose? Yes, because the formula is given. C12H22O11. So, the first solution, awak akan calculate molar mass untuk sucrose. So, you will get 342 gram per mole. So, now, can I calculate the number of mole? Yes. Using formula mass over molar mass, so I got my number of mole. In my question, I asked for molarity. So, this is my question that I want. I want the molarity. So, molarity, it means that the formula mole of solute, in this case, my solute is sucrose over volume of solution. So, I got my number of mole for sucrose and I got my volume of solution, 0.50 liter. Can I use the formula for molarity? Yes. So, I put all those value and my final answer is 0.0100 mole per liter. Or you can get to put M besar. Pun saya terima. And your answer should be in 4 decimal places. So, ini adalah contoh cara untuk awak calculate the molarity based on one example where you derive from the number of moles and using from those previous subtopics that you've learned. So, maknanya bila awak lihat satu soalan, memang dia akan panjang, tapi keluarkan information. So in order for you to improve your understanding about molarity, you can try this 4.0 part 1, and I got the final answer here for you to refer whether your calculation is correct or wrong. And you got until question 3 that will cover for molarity. So all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.